Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to hide likes on Instagram posts. So to do this, you just need to go to Instagram, open your Instagram, and to hide likes from your Instagram posts, let's say that you are going to have a new post. And for example, let's take this picture. And when you are going to post your new post, you just need to click on next. And after that, next again. And when you are in this screen, you just need to click on more options. And as you can see, there is an option here to add like count on this post. You just need to activate it. And after that, go back and share your picture. And if the post is already shared on your Instagram and you want to hide like the count of likes on it, you just need to click on the three dots. And after that, as you can see here, it's appear for me and hide like count. I can unhide it. Or if it's not hidden, just click on the three dots and after that click on hide like count and the like count will be hidden on my posts. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next one.